Welcome to the second video of a series of tutorials to help you navigate the Retirement Optimizer program and plan your retirement. This video will work through the inputs on Steps 2 of the solver. Let's begin. Step 2 requires inputs of basic information, such as retiree names, disability tax credits, marital status, and pension splitting. Should you require additional details of a specific field as you are filling them out, you can click on the question mark found on the right-hand side of the respective input. A pop-up window will appear with additional information, such as links to the relevant government website and the Retirement Optimizer Help Manual. If the retiree is married, additional fields will appear for the spouse. Be sure to have all the relevant information for the spouse, as they will be required throughout the input steps of the solver. The program will not let you move from a step until all the fields have been completed. Should you attempt to move to another step, the field requiring an input will be highlighted. This is to ensure all the necessary information is provided for the analysis. Once you have completed filling in the fields, you can go to the next step by clicking on the button of the respective number, or you can click on the down arrow found at the bottom of the list. You can return to previous steps at any time to view or edit your inputs by clicking on the arrow at the top of the list. Thus completes Step 2 of the solver, and we hope to see you at Step 3.